But between the lip balm and the little blush, and y'all just gonna be cute. You know what? How you been?
Hey, Merry Christmas!
How are you? What's your name?
Wonderful. My name is Santa. You can't forget that.
Good to see you, Santa. I thought my name was Santa.